Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial how to create a professional YouTube banner to make a lot of attention to your videos. So after creating and confirming your account with Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail, you come here and select design innovation. If you didn't find YouTube banner here, just write it up YouTube and select banner. Then they will give you different examples depends on the concept of your videos, and I will select this one. I don't have a logo. If you have logo you can add it, so I will take it out. So here you're going to write your video name. I will give an example like how to go viral on TikTok. Wow, beautiful. Let's make it bigger. What we need here is a TikTok element. Let's write it TikTok. I really liked this one. Let's put it here. Or here. Just 1 second. I will bring this one out and put it back, make it bigger, and bring it this one right here. What we need also is to add it like our like emojis like this one. This means change it the color of it. Oh, that's nice color, and put it here. Change the color of this one in the back to make it like this. Nice. Now we need like let's put sunny, different words. It's mean verb, but it is this one is paid. Use only the free items. Why I choose this one? It means that it is viral. The viral people wearing glasses, expensive glasses. I saw it like this. Let's change the background color to make it like this. Oh, I need to remove this one and this one. I want to make it like this. How to go viral on TikTok, and we can add it also YouTube emojis like this one. Right here, and whatever you want is available. Just choose the free ones, and when you finish just click here, then go down to download, select PNG or GPG because PNG is high quality. So but for YouTube banners it mustn't be up of 2 mega. So let's choose JPG and download. Wait here a few seconds and open it. The results are shocking and it's totally free to make a lot of views. All YouTubers use Canva because it's free. How to go viral on TikTok? Wow, very amazing and outstanding. This was the tutorial of today. So see you in the next video, and don't forget please to support us with like and a nice comment.